This video is all about affiliate marketing. You are getting many views on your videos, but you're not milking it for everything it's worth. You're only getting the ad revenue. Why are you only doing that? You could be milking it for so much more, and that's where affiliate marketing comes in. Now, this is one of the ways you can do it, affiliate marketing. You can also set up your own website where it's dropshipping and e-commerce. I'll actually talk about that in a later video, but this is specifically about affiliate marketing, and it's so easy. I'll show you guys exactly how to do it, and I'll recommend a few different sites, okay? So let's check it out. So I have a few different sites listed right here. The first one we're going to talk about is ClickBank. So normally I use ClickBank when it comes to certain channels. Like not so listen, there's a bunch of different places. I'm just going to go through them real quick. ClickBank, Amazon Associates, Rockton Advertising, Shopify, eBay Partner Network, and ShareASale. And these are just some of the many. These are the ones that I recommend, but there's a lot more to them. So now, depending on my channel, I'll use a different website. Now, when I say that is why I say that is because ClickBank, for example, has a lot to offer for affiliate links, but it doesn't sometimes it doesn't make sense for my channel. Like they don't have some of the niches that I want within ClickBank. So that's why you can jump onto some of the other websites that I just recommended and check those out. Now, one of the best websites is Amazon Associates because they have literally every product you can imagine. So Amazon is one of those websites that can apply to every single niche because you can always find something that applies to your niche. But when it comes to Amazon, they don't always pay the greatest commissions. That's why somewhere like ClickBank offers really good commissions per sale, obviously depending on the product and how much it costs, but they do offer really good commissions. But they also may not include, they might not have exactly what you need for your channel. But once again, still very good. So there's Amazon Associates, there's Rockton once again, which is, I'm pretty sure just I haven't used this one, but I've heard good things about it. I think that's just like technology. And there's Shopify, which is also kind of like Amazon. There's a lot to it. If some websites want to, a lot of Shopify stores like to participate in the affiliate marketing program so they can get sales and then you can make money. It's kind of a win-win. So Shopify is also kind of a diverse one that you can apply to a lot of your YouTube channels. There's also eBay. eBay's kind of on that same page too. They also I don't use eBay, but I know they exist for affiliate marketing. Mainly I stick with Shopify, Amazon, and ClickBank. But I know that eBay is also a really good partner to work with because they do also offer a wide variety of products. So chances are you can find a product that applies to your. Sorry, I'm getting a call. So you can essentially use eBay because once again, very wide variety of products can easily apply to your channel niche. Next is ShareASale. I haven't used this either, but once again, I have gotten recommendations to use it, but so far I'm perfectly fine using ClickBank, Amazon, and Shopify. Those are great, but you can definitely check all these out. Like there's nothing stopping you. The more research you do and checking out all these different affiliate sites and what they have to offer, the more beneficial it will be to you in the long term, which means a lot more money you can make. So now, when it comes to actually making money with the affiliate links that you gather from these websites, is the best way I would do it is to put it in the description, not in the first line in the description, but like maybe the third, fourth line. Because remember, the first line of the description is the most important for ranking with the video. Oh my God, I'm just getting a call. What is this number? What is that? Anyways, I'm in the middle of a video. So back to what I was saying, you don't want to put in the first line of the description. You want to put in like the third or fourth. That is the best place to put it. And now you may be wondering, like, not everyone reads the description, and that's true. So you may not be getting as many eyes if you don't say something in the video. So in the very beginning of the video, you can say, hey, check out the description or click the link in the description to purchase this product. A quick 5-second promo, and a lot of people will check it out if it's kind of a cool product, and then you can get a lot of conversions. But you got to keep in mind that when you're promoting a product in your description and then you also decide to promote it within the video, you may lose some viewership with this method. Let me just cancel this. You may lose some viewership. A lot of people may see that, oh, right off the bat, they're promoting something, I'm out of here. Some people are actually like that, but a lot of people may stay. A lot of people may just not even access the website, but a lot of people may. So it's definitely the more traffic you get to your website, the more sales you can get. But you got to do it in a way where it doesn't sacrifice your views, because at the end of the day, YouTube is a platform where you can garner views from getting suggested. And if people are clicking out of your video because a promotion pops up or you're just over promoting your product in the description, then they're going to click out of the video, thus lowering your average view duration, thus preventing YouTube from actually pushing your video even more. So you gotta keep that in mind when it comes to promoting an affiliate product. But in general, these are the best websites I would use. Definitely go check them out because this is just another great source of income that could just be a cherry on top of your overall ad revenue. And sometimes, in some cases, can even result in more revenue than the ad revenue you're getting from the YouTube platform. So definitely check these out.